Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer nachos with ground beef. Let's begin. We have here half of a bell pepper all diced up. We have here also one Roman tomato all diced up right here. We also have here half a cup of chopped up cilantro, and we have here around 2 tablespoons of chopped up green onions. We have here half a pound of ground beef, and it's 80-20. And we'll cook this in the pan first, and we'll be using around half a pound. We're going to turn on the heat first. We're going to add a little bit of oil. Spread the oil around. Like I said, we're going to use half a pound of ground beef, 80-20. We're going to put the half a pound of ground beef. Try to break it apart. Okay, they're nicely browned up. We can add some garlic powder, some ground cumin, some chili powder, and lastly, some black pepper. There we go. Stir them all around. Looking good. It's ready. We're gonna put it on a plate. We're gonna put the ground beef to the side for right now. First, we're gonna need some aluminum tin foil. We're gonna take the aluminum tin foil and line it in the air fryer basket. This is what it looks like before we put it in. We have here some restaurant style yellow corn chips. We're going to open it up. We're going to put in 2 cups. Alright, we're going to put in the 2 cups. Another 2 cups. Here's another 2 cups, and that's it. So we have a total of 4 cups of chips. Spread the chips out. We have here 2 cups of cheddar cheese, or 8 ounces. And we're just gonna sprinkle it on top. Next, we're gonna put in the ground beef. There you go, we added the ground beef. Next, we're going to add the diced up bell peppers. And lastly, we're going to add some more of the cheddar cheese. Alright, we added the 2 cups of cheddar cheese. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 350 degrees for a total time of 4 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 4 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. We're going to take it out. And we're just going to slide it off. Just like that. Next, we're going to add some diced up tomatoes. some cilantro, and lastly, some chopped up green onions. And lastly, we're going to top it off with some sour cream. There you go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fried nachos with ground beef. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.